Hi, my name is Madhvi and welcome to Space Tech channel. So today we're going to learn how to fix redirect error. As you can see in my website, in the Google search console, I am getting this error of redirect. This redirect error, is very confusing, and it definitely can impact your website performance in case if you have any broken link or any link that you have rewritten, or possibly you made some changes in that. So we're going to fix and see how we're going to fix it and how we can actually get this validation started. Here the validation failed last time when I actually did, and I wanted to see that whether how it failed, because earlier the error was on only one page. Now I've got like 4 pages that are affected by this redirect error. So we're going to do a simple thing. What we're going to do is we're going to redirect all this broken or what do you say, edited URL, which you can very well see in my Google search console. So let's begin. What we have to do is, if you're using a WordPress, okay, you have to go to plugins, okay, and then install redirection uh, you know plugin. This is a redirection plugin. This is how it looks, and I'll show you how it looks. I'll go back, okay, and I will search for redirection. It's already there here in my in my plugin list, but just to show you, I'll quickly show you. You can easily search here and see yourself. Okay, when you click on add new, okay, you're downloading or you're installing it for the first time, so you can simply write redirection, and okay, after clicking on plugin, add new, and then redirection, see it is already active. Okay, what it does is it manages all your broken error links of your website to the home page or wherever you're going to redirect that particular link to. Okay, so now that we have already installed, okay, so once you have successfully installed and updated, so it is very well compatible with GeneratePress. So we will search it appears under tools. Okay, see, now I will go to redirection, click on it, okay, and I've already added 2 URLs which are broken or possibly showing 404 error. So here you will see add new option. Okay, I will go to my Google Search Console, copy the uh, URL of the broken link, go back here and see which post it is redirecting to. Okay, in case if you have removed that URL and it is still there in your redirection, then you can simply put the home page URL. Okay, if you do not want that URL or that particular post to be visible, so you can simply redirect it to your home page. Okay, I will click on add new. First, what I will do is I will select the incorrect URL, the URL that I am willing to redirect it to the post. I made some changes in that post actually, so I will go ahead and copy the URL and go back. I want, see, the source target will be the broken or the incorrect URL, or the URL which you have made some changes recently and it is broken, showing error, and the target URL is the URL where you redirect the post to. So you will simply click on add redirect and redirection is saved. Once it is done, you will select, similarly you will select the other, copy the broken link, again go back, click on add new, copy paste the broken URL. Target URL will be the that URL where you want the post to redirect to. Okay, so I'm going to select the post where I'm actually wanting the that broken URL to be pointed to. Okay, let me quickly check which was that post quickly. um mm, mm, mm. Learn blogging, I'm sorry, it's taking time. How to create, okay, so it says that how to create. Okay, I found the URL where I'm actually going to redirect it to. Okay, and simply click here and add redirect. Okay, so this is how it is done. and I will simply go to this coverage under Google Search Console where this redirect error is visible. Okay, again see if it is there or not. We'll see what are the details. Okay, so one failed and three are pending. Let's see if last time what I have done was I have, there was only one URL which was actually facing the redirect error. Now I've got like three, so one also failed because of three. It doesn't mean that was a wrong validation, it was correct, but again the three more URLs was added to it, so the first one also failed. Here if the validation started, that means you are actually fixing the redirect error issue. But in case if the validation started, see, there are high chances for the validation to get completed and you don't no longer face the same problem, but there are very less chances for the new validation to get failed. Okay, I'm going to fix this issue now, and in case in future I come across the same or possibly this error comes back to me, I will make another video to fix that. But I think I'm good for now, and let's see whether the validation starts or not. I will click on start new validation under Google Search Console coverage. Now it says validation started, so I've successfully fixed the issue. It says I fixed the issue from my end, so it will go under the validation process. Once it is done, then we will have this uh, error completely fixed from our side. I hope you like the video, and if you do, then please hit like, subscribe and comment. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.